Binance Japan and the implications of what it means for Jasmy and the Jasmy protocol. It's been a minute since I updated you guys on Binance Japan. Jasmy fam, it was amazing news to see that Jasmy was one of the chosen projects for Binance Japan. Like, I'm telling you guys, that is major, right? That's one of the things that I've as far as news that we got for Jasmy that we've been checking out. That's one of the key things for me that kind of cemented, yo, CZ took notice and listened to the Jasmy community to list Jasmy on Binance Japan. He's definitely aware, you know, so that kind of again, inspired me to be like, wow, Jasmy will have a nice time to shine, and the other projects on Binance Japan as well will have an amazing time to shine, because now the Japanese investors have access, an ease of entry, convenient way to purchase crypto, purchase assets, right? Crypto assets. And Jasmy is one of those crypto assets. We have an article that we're going to dive into. Speaking of the Binance Japan launch, right? Jasmy fam, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. Let's take over the space. I apologize. Someone in the background is mowing the lawn right now. I apologize. But we're going to dive into it, man. From Jasmy AI, Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, launched its Japan subsidiary, Binance Japan, on Tuesday. So this was Tuesday, man. Crypto show resilience, BNB gains on Binance Japan launch. This is from Yahoo Finance. Gotta zoom in so you guys can see, man. Let's take a look. Okay, we're just gonna skim through the article. Bitcoin, Ether, and most other top 10 non-stable tokens gained in Wednesday morning trading in Asia, with Bitcoin recovering around $29,000 support line. BNB led the winner after the issuer Binance relaunched in Japan on Tuesday. Litecoin also posted notable gains. U.S. equity futures declined as corporate results came in mixed in. The U.S. lost its AAA credit rating. Later in the morning, Bitcoin threatened to break through the $30,000 resistance level, and back on Tuesday's announcement that software developer MicroStrategy plans to sell $750 million of the stock. On average, Bitcoin price volatility sits at 0.74%. Even with the recent Curve Lab hack causing disruption in the world of decentralized finance, Bitcoin's relative price stability can be put down to a lack of earth-shattering news. Bitcoin has been resilient against the US Fed rate hikes. Likely, Bitcoin is controlled by the rules built in the blockchain protocol, not by any central bank policy. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, launched Binance Japan, its subsidiary Binance Japan KK, on Tuesday. With the launch of the Binance Japan exchange, debuted BNB for the first time in a country where it joins 33 other tokens available for its users on the platform. And again, that is not a lot of projects, right? Only like 33 projects, 34 with BNB included, and Jasmy is one of them. That is massive. If you want to access the most coins now, you need to go to Binance, said Norbert Gerke, author of the Japan FinTech Observer newsletter, in a note. Gerke said that the depth of coins offered on the Binance platform might spell bad news for Japan's smaller exchanges. Y'all already know CZ Binance taking up all the market share for crypto exchanges, right? I'm just happy that Jasmy is listed on Binance Japan. That, like I said, that to me is the most amazing news that we got for this year for Jasmy, since I've been covering Jasmy, because that is, like, again, let's take a look at the Japanese population. Not saying that everyone in Japan is gonna get into crypto, but even if it's just 10 to 20% of the people of Japan that get into crypto, we have potentially millions of people that will be buying the Binance Japan assets, right? Millions of people, man. Right? As you guys can see right here, 125 million total population since 2021. It's probably higher now in 2023, right? that gives Jasmy access to millions of people to get their hands on Jasmy, man. That's a good look, right? Gurky said the depths of coins offered on Binance. Okay, already read that part. If you want a cynical view, then the financial services agency allowing Binance to operate is just another step towards consolidation in the market and the weeding out of smaller unprofitable players. Very interesting stuff, man. So I think that is about, that really is what is covered for the entire article. Okay, yep, that's pretty much it. Let's move on. Again, Binance Japan and Jasmy, that it's listed there. It's so freaking bullish for Jasmy. We're going to continue on from here. From the candle wick, here are my bullish and bearish Jasmy targets for October. 0045 for bearish. Prepared for the other scenario is 029, right? And right here, we're in a little triangle right here. So hopefully we see that pop up. There is a spike in the Jasmy volume, a huge spike in the Jasmy volume. But unfortunately, earlier we saw, not yesterday. Yesterday's volume was more natural, but it got all the way up to like $500 million in volume or something crazy like that. But it was coming from another exchange, right? I think I have a tweet to show you guys that. And it was more like a glitch per se, right? So right now Jasmy is sitting at 0036 at $176 million in market cap, with just under $28 million in 24-hour trade volume. Still, Jasmy always has amazing trade volume. I don't think delistings on these top exchanges will happen when Jasmy has so much volume going for it, right? And where's majority of this volume coming from, right? Binance, $4.1 million in volume on Binance, right? Why would Binance delist Jasmy with this type of volume unless they don't like money? And what is the space really focused on making money? So unless Binance doesn't like money, I don't see a delisting for Jasmy with this type of volume. $4.19 million in volume. That's a ton, okay? Coinbase, $700K in volume. Kraken, you see, for example, Kraken, only $18,000 in volume on Kraken. That would be, where I would be worried. But $4.1 million in volume on Binance. Look at all this volume, man. Almost 4.2 million. That is insane, man. So very nice to see for Jasmy, man. Neo Extrix. In my previous post, we saw the relationship between Apex, Jasmy, and Soracom. Please find the necessary information about Soracom. SourceNext Corp is one of the top 2 main customers. Let's not forget that above the ladder still hovers K. Ando, chairman of the chairman of chairmans. Let's take a look. So Soracom Inc., a global provider of advanced IoT connectivity, today announced new partnership featuring 6 major participants in the global ecosystem. Neo Extrix always crushing it down the rabbit hole, man. Nippon Gas and SourceNext Corporation, including Hitachi Limited, Secom Co. Limited, and Sony Group Corporation. We see Sony, Japanese company Sony. Jasmy more than likely has ties to it, man. Let's take a look at the other image. Soracom's next generation IoT connectivity platform is device, cloud, and bearer agnostic. It provides everything the people, teams, and organization building tomorrow's connected world need to connect any number of devices to their preferred cloud easily. Let me I don't think you guys are seeing that. Let me let me move this over so you guys can see that. My apologies, man. Let's see. Right there. And where were we? Let's see, man. My apologies, guys. So we're at preferred cloud, easily affordably and reliably with complete network control anywhere in the world. In 2017, Soracom became part of the KDDI group through M&A and has expanded its IoT connectivity business to serve customers across Asia, North America, and Europe. So we could potentially see ties here once again. Once we're talking IoT, Japan, we could see ties here with Jasmy and Soracom.